Glanhad eglwys Iesu Mawr, ei grym yw bod yn lan. Sancteiddiau gweddi yn ei gwaith a ffura hi'n y tân. Na chaffed bwyso ar y byd nac unrhyw fraich o gnawd. Dwyd yn gyfoethog, dwyd yn gryf, drwy helpu'r gwan a'r tlawd. Na thyned gwychder gwag y llawr y serch oddi ar y gwir. Na chuddiad addurniadau dyn drwy foldeb geiriau pur.
So your feet won't down?
Oh,
Hope that was nice.
oh yes. What can I give you in return?
Nothing. I'm glad you came, and so we do in this
But
church.
then you must, get this church going again.
As a cultural centre, so that people
Yes,
can
something
come.
new, yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
So not just about religion, but about
No,
ritual and being together and
Yes.
doing something good. I think.
people who need people, is it?
It is.
Are the luckiest people in the world, see?
Right. Thank you very much.
I find it very, very well happy.
Relationship with Jesus or a relationship with the church. Well, I have a relationship with the church now, only it's the church, this one. It's also quite intimate. I'm getting to know this place very well and I'm touching every part of it, everything. All of that stuff just goes a lot more quiet, so in a way you're reducing yourself to one thing, and it can be quite pleasant, I think. It's also nice because the chapel won't reject me. It won't say you're spending too much time with me, get out of my hair a little bit, I can't deal with this, you're too demanding, you're too this, you're too that. It's constantly happy when I'm there. So even though I'm giving it a lot of time and energy, it's receiving all of it and it's not complaining or being complicated. So actually, this might be one of the best relationships I've ever had.